Welcome back, friends. I am Mohammad Tahar Ahmed, your online instructor. Friends, in previous video, we have made this forum which is being shown here on our browser. And friend, now in this video, I shall insert data in my basic database. Whatever the data any user will fill inside this forum, that data should be shown here. I have already inserted these two users here. One user is on the name of Noor and the second user is on the name of Zuhair. And now I shall work in PHP, and due to that work of PHP, whatever the data I shall fill here, and when I shall press the submit now button, that user will be inserted here under this Zuhair. So friend, now I go back to my Notepad++ code editor and I press enter, and first I will make a connection. So I write the PHP tag, so I press one more enter, so you could differentiate it among this PHP tag and the closing tag of HTML. So I shall close here PHP tag. So first of all, I shall make a variable on the name of $con. It is the local variable. So this is the connection. I write here MySQLi underscore connect parenthesis and double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma, double quotes, comma, and double quotes. You will have to insert these four values inside these four double quotes. So first of all, I come here in my first double quotes and I write here localhost. Now I go to the second double quotes and here I write root, because it is default value is root. And the third is password, which I have left. You also will leave this third double quote. You will not write anything inside it. And root is the default. It is default value. If you tell, I show you. If I press over it privileges, and here I show you that user is root, and root. Therefore, I have written here the root, and the second host is localhost. But online, when you work on online, then you will write localhost, but here you will write the username, and the third will be password. You will also write the password there. So I go to my user. This is our user database, and this is our table users underscore data. So I go back to my Notepad++, and here I write users. This users is the name of my database. You can see that this is the users which I made, because I have given this database the name users. Therefore, I have written here users. So friend, now I press enter and come down. So first of all, I will write if double quote parentheses and braces, curly brackets. So inside the parentheses I write is set. If is set, it is the default value. Once again I make one more parentheses, and here I will call this name. So first $I write here the method, it is the method is post, because I show you that the method of this form is post. I gave it a method post. I have already taught you when I made the course of PHP basics that there are two methods. One is post and the one is get. But here we are using the method post. Therefore, I wrote here $_post. And here I will call this name submit, because whenever anybody will click over it, submit now, then this form, the data of this form which will be inside it will be automatically inserted in this our structure. So once again I go to my Notepad++, and here I write single quotes and I write submit, because I gave the name submit. So friend, first I make a variable user $_user_name is equal to, so I use this method $_post. Square brackets, and now semicolon to close, single quote, and here I will call the first name, which is the user_name. This is that name, user_name. This name I am calling here inside it, user_name. Friend, now I duplicate it 2 times, and here I will change the name of variable user_email, and also I change it is value user_email, because I gave it a name user_email, and the third one is user_pass, and here I shall write the name user_pass. Now here I shall write the query. First I will make a local variable $insert_query is equal to double quotes and semicolon to close, and friend, inside these double quotes I will write it is default query. This query is default. You will also write the same query for inserting data. Insert into users_data. Here you will write the name of tables, users_data, parentheses, space, and here I will write the values, parentheses. Friend, this is the here I write the username first, username, comma, user email, comma, and user_pass. Here I shall put first single quotes, comma, single quotes, comma, and third single quote. So here I shall write these local variables dollar user underscore name, user underscore email, and third is dollar user underscore pass. Friends, now I would like to explain everything before you. I press Ctrl S to save. And first I bring you back to this MySQLi, our PHP admin. So the name which I gave to our database was the user, because so many tables can be inside a database. So when I made the connection, then I wrote here users, the database name. But when I have written here a query, then I wrote insert into user underscore data, because the name of this table is users underscore data. And I have instructed it that insert data, insert into user underscore or underscore data of this specific table, where user underscore name. So friend, this is the user underscore name. Our first value is this user underscore name. I did not write user underscore ID because I gave it the primary key and auto increment. Therefore, I did not write here. I have called this first user underscore name, second user underscore email, and third user underscore pass. The same way I wrote here insert into user underscore data, where user underscore name, user underscore email, and third one is user underscore pass. Space, values, and fences. Then I put two single quotes, comma, single quotes, and comma, and then single quotes. Inside it, I have called these local variables because I have saved these values inside these local variables. And I am saying it that whatever the data which is inside these three values, you transfer this data into these three local variables, and I have called these three local variables here inside these parentheses. I hope that now you have understood. Now I come down and I write one more query, $run underscore query. I make this local variable on the name of run underscore query is equal to MySQLi underscore query, parentheses, semicolon. Here I write the $con connection name, comma, $insert underscore query. If once again I tell you that I have made one more local variable on the name of $underscore query, and I have assigned this value to it is equal to MySQLi underscore query. It is the default function of PHP, parentheses, $con. This is the $con, our connection. I show you that this is the connection. This connection which I made, I have assigned it to this local variable, $con, comma, $insert, and this is the $insert underscore query. And here I made one more function. If $run underscore query if this function runs, then you should show this data. And here I write the echo double quotes, semicolon, H2 close. You have been registered. I write here successfully. You have been registered successfully. Now I go to my Chrome browser and I refresh this page. Friend, you are watching that no error is being shown here. So first of all, I write here the username Sobia, and I write here sobia@gmail.com, and I give it a password sobia123. Now I press it, submit now. So friend, you are watching, you have been registered successfully, is being shown here. So now I go to my PHP my admin and I refresh also this page. So if I click browse, so you can write that this third data Sobia, username is Sobia, user email is sobia@gmail.com, and user pass is sobia123. So it means that whatever the data we were inserted here, that data is being shown in our inside this table which I made user underscore data. So in this video we have successfully made this MySQL connection, and we have also successfly inserted our data in our this form, and that data is also successfully being shown here in our PHP myadmin in our MySQL connection. So friend, in next video I will come back and I will tell you that how can we show this data, because you are now watching that we are watching this data here in our PHP myadmin inside our XAMPP database, XAMPP program, but we want to watch all this data, all these three users and their data here down here. So in this video I have inserted data. In next video I will tell you that how can we bring all this data from this PHP myadmin here to on this page, and we can watch it here. See you in next video.